Hey guys, so we are here at Cabana beach in Croatia. So this is just a beautiful view. As I told you guys, we're doing the excursion with Royal Caribbean. This is like the little dock where you can jump from. And then at this beach is very chilled. If you want something that's a little bit more calm, this is for you. Today we have made it to Croatia. We are at Cabana, but I'm gonna walk you through the day as it began. We are here in an excursion with Royal Caribbean International. As you guys know, our port was supposed to be Olympia and it got canceled because there were strong winds and it was unsafe. Good morning in the morning from Croatia. We are doing a catamaran excursion, which honestly, ever since the last catamaran excursion in Santorini, Greece, I have been obsessed with these excursions. I like them more than any other excursions. And we're gonna make our way into the boat. We have to be back at the port at 3. This tour, my friends, is one of my favorite tours because it's for water lovers. It included a catamaran tour throughout the entire city. Basically, they circumnavigated everything and they did have free drinks, no food. We are on the boat. It's very nice out today. Oh wow, now it's getting bumped in the sea. But it's hot. It's really hot outside. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. And it's super hot, but it's beautiful here. Hello everyone, the usual motorcycle when I'm filming. So we just got off of the catamaran ride. So for this excursion, they do offer Wi-Fi on the boat, which is great. We have T-Mobile, so we get signal. We get data, 5 gigs of data for the entire cycle of the month. And 5 gigs also includes high speed. So after 5 gigs, you get unlimited, but it's not high speed. Right now, after the catamaran ride, we're going on a bus provided by the excursion. And on this bus ride, they're gonna take us to the beach, and the beach is around 6 minutes from where the port is. They asked us to come and sit at another bus, so I think all of the excursions are being put into 2 different buses because of the amount of people that came to the excursion. And by the way, if you made it this far, the best excursions are these. The ones that, I don't know, I just like the beach. So where they take you to the beach, where they take you around on a boat. Obviously, I think this one doesn't have like lunch included, but so this is where they drop us off. Something I noticed is that over there they have camping tents, and the tour guide is gonna leave us here right at the beach, and then she gives us like a time frame for which we have to be here, and then she'll tell us, oh, we'll meet at this time, and then we meet her and she brings us back to the bus, because today we have an early call to the port. We have to be at the port by 3 because tomorrow's the last day. Tomorrow morning, well, basically today's the last day because tomorrow at 9 we go back to Venice, and then I'm gonna spend a few days in Venice. How exciting! Hey guys, so we are here at Cabana beach in Croatia. So this is just a beautiful view. As I told you guys, we're doing the excursion with Royal Caribbean. This is like the little dock where you can jump from. And then at this beach is very chilled. If you want something that's a little bit more calm, this is for you. Right now they are putting everything together because there's going to be a live band playing, I'm guessing for a group of people. But it's a very chilled out, nice beach with a beautiful city view. The water is cold, but once you get in, you get used to it. It's amazing. I also did want to point out that they have snacks available if you want to eat something. They have pizza, they have lemonade, they have soft drinks, and then they have wraps if you want to eat some of that. So it's really something light that you can have for lunch. They do have tents, not tents, they do have umbrellas with chairs, and those were included in the fee that we paid with Royal Caribbean. So we got 2 chairs and then we got 1 umbrella. I'm just gonna give you a heads up. If you have sensitive feet, make sure to wear something comfortable on your feet, like some type of shoe that's made for the water, because I've twisted my foot 1,000 times already, and there's rocks at the bottom, especially towards the shore. So from here, I'm gonna take you to the other part of the excursion, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna jump in the water again, I'm gonna eat something, and then we're leaving. Look, that's Royal Caribbean over there. Okay. This is gorgeous. So we are inside. It's like a little place where you can come and you can sit. So just so you know, they have drinks here. They have coffee. They have, in other words, alcoholic beverages. This is a little stand where they sell ice cream. Yeah, they have ice cream, and then they have warm food like pizza. Let's see what else. What is this? This is more pizza, and then this is a hot dog. Oh wow, and this is a chicken wrap.
€7.
Here's the price, €7. And this is passion fruit lemonade, and I want a hot dog. We are at Copacabana, so we got this. Is a mango. It is Copacabana. No, this is Copacabana Beach. Trust me, it's outside. Prepare to be moved. The sea. Okay, I just read something. So this is a mango lemonade, right? Mango juice. Mango juice. And then this is a hot dog with melted cheese, and they didn't heat up the hot dog. Well, they didn't heat up the whole thing in general, so the bread is a little bit hard. But you know, you're only here once. So how much was this, Sandy?
13 euros.
13 euros, so 13 euros for these 2 things. The mango juice is good. It's really good. I like mango juice. Okay, let's try this. Okay. It's old, but it's good. The weather on this specific day, mind you, we went in the month of June. It was very hot, but I'm talking about super, super hot. The beach has umbrellas that you can rent. There's showers available. They have public restrooms. Here's the downside. There's no sand where the umbrellas are or throughout that beach. So get your feet ready for rocks, especially inside the water. We came down the hill. Well, the same way we came down. Now we gotta go back up.
Wash it, wash it before yummy, yummy. Wash it, eh.
Hello, my beautiful followers. So we made it back to the ship. I didn't go into the room because I was hungry. So this is my lunch. I am having, well, as you guys can see, white rice. I love white rice. And then I'm also, this is a brisket. And then I got, this is a stew, but I get it because of the carrots. I really like carrots. And then fish. You guys know that I love fish. So we are leaving Croatia. Just took a shower. I wanted to show you guys the beautiful, beautiful view of this city. Beautiful. Can't wait to come back. I loved it here. So the ship said that we needed to be back by 3. We were back like at 11ish. So they left at 3:55. Like